Hello guys, I built a game called AltLife. It's available at altlife.app. This is probably the world's first AI Sims game that puts you through someone else's career shoes. So if you're in control, if you're in someone else's career and role, what would you do differently to make your role better? And this game is great for several kind of people. If you're changing careers, if you're unsatisfied by your boss, you want to become your boss, you believe you'll be a better boss, or if you're starting a new business and you're not sure what's risk ahead, and if you want to save the world, being a world leader, and you think you believe you can do a better job, or if you're just curious mind, you want to experience other careers, here's a game for you. So let's start playing. And right here we can pick a role. Let's pick if I want to play through the US president. So here's the backstory. So I'm the US president, and this is my duty, and this is the job description. So for this job, there are 5 metrics that are important to me: approval rating, economic growth, unemployment, etc. So for every metric, there's a little description and a 0 to 100 scale that determines how well I'm performing at the job. And what does it mean that I'm getting a good rating? What it means if I got a bad rating. So let's start from day 1. Okay, so on day 1, something happened: cyber attack, federal systems. What would I do as a US president? I could ignore it, or public blame some other teams, or implement system lockdown. Let's go with the system lockdown. So this is my decision that I just made, and here's an outcome. Something happened, and the observation of my decision and the outcome. Okay, so how it impacts my overall scores across the few metrics. There's a little drop on the approval rating. Why? Because the public might be perceived as a vulnerability, etc. So I'll start day 2. And for the rest of the day, I'll just quickly click through one of the options to progress the game, as you already get the concept. Something happened, I made a decision, and here's a change of impact on my overall metrics. So I'll keep clicking through the day number 3 and starting day number 4. So overall, this is a game that lets you play through a role for a whole week, 5 days, and see how you perform. So the final day, the day 5, as you can see, every day a new scenario happened. It's all realistic, and how it impacts my metrics are also realistic, and there's a reason. So overall, I passed, and here's the judgment of my overall performance and the final rating of every key metrics that matters to my job. And I can share it or play a new game. That's the game. Hope you enjoy it.